Remember the Jet Centre Mini Fun Park?
This is not normal!
Well, this season they have added two brand new attractions, one of which is another Yoto Games creation. From the manufacturer of the Star Wars Police Ride comes the Space Jump. The ride was supposed to open at the Mini Fun Park last year, but it was dismantled just before the opening for some reason. But earlier this year, it reappeared.
So as you can see, they've removed the bungee trampolines, but this is the new ride here, the Space Jump. Let's take you on and see how it goes. Here we go on the new ride at the Jet Centre, the Space Jump. Way! Oh, actually going fast. Oh, we're about to die. Oh, we're slowing down. Bouncing. This is meta. This is actually pretty good. Here we go again. Here we go one more time. Oh! Bounce it again. Now we're going the other way again. Here we go again. Oh! Oh, I think that's us. Actually a lot better than I was expecting. And that's the new ride. And that there was the Space Jump, and actually that was a lot better than I was expecting. Really good fun. Bounces were actually quite strong, went both directions and had banger tunes. But anyway, I think next we're going to go on my favourite machine, the Transformer.
Dear passengers, welcome to Take the Interstellar War Police. Please take a seat and fasten your seat belt. The game is about to start.
Oh no, I forgot this. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I've forgotten this. This is a nightmare machine. There's like stuff of nightmares. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah. Way. What a ride, what a ride! Oh my goodness, me! I just forgot. I haven't done this in ages, but it's so good. Woo! Oh my goodness. So the Transformer was epic, but as you can see here, there's another new attraction which is a climbing wall. But overall, the new additions this year at the Jet Centre are fantastic. But anyway, we'll head on out and have a wee look at what's happening in Collins.
Everyone see his hands up again, and raise your hands up in the air. Oogie, oogie, oogie.
Oi, oi, oi!
Oogie, oogie, oogie.
Oi, oi, oi!
Overall, I found the new Space Jump at the Jet Centre surprisingly better than I was expecting it to be. Although it has its flaws, such as the fact the cars don't really spin that much, I don't think it's really meant to be a thrill ride, and more of a family thrill ride. It really gives me Airborne Shot vibes, as in being a good stepping stone attraction for kids building up to bigger rides. I also want to give a shout out to the fantastic Jet Centre Mini Fun Park team, who were extremely helpful and extremely friendly too. But with that, thank you for watching and goodbye.